Hello everyone, my name is Aisyah Fitriani Sritoitet, and in this, so I'm recording topic 10, where the topic is the genre. Talk about genre, maybe in your mind or in us mind is the genre of the literature, like genre of the novel, of the short story. Yeah, is the correct, but in linguistic, genre have a different meaning or different main focus. In linguistic, genre focus on the how language is used and based on the context and have a communicative purpose, while the genre and literature is the focus based on the style, theme, form, and context of the story. So, I've proposed to classification novels like the fantasy, tragedy, realistic fiction. That's it, like that. So, what is the genre in linguistic? Genre is a way of categorizing or grouping a text based on the specific characteristic were related to their communicative purpose, structures, and social context. Understanding the genre, it can help us to see how the texts are organized and how they function in different situations. So, genre is a way to classification or categorizing a text based on context, and each genre serves a different communicative purpose, such as for the informating, for the entertaining, and for the persuading, and all of them it can be influence the form and structure of the text. So that's it the definition of the genre. So next, we move the next topic is defining genre. The classification of a text into the genre, it based on the social purpose, text structures, and context of use. A genre is not only identified by its linguistic but also by its social functions. For example, scientific work differs from the short story because they have different purpose and different structures. So that's the differences. And understanding so sorry so it's the differences, and by recognizing and By recognizing this characteristic, uh, we can more easily understand and clarify or classify classify text classify text according to their genders, such as distinguishing between academic work and novels. So that's it, the defining a genre. Next is the assigning text into genre categories. To categorize text into a specific genre, we can be examine its from the communicative purpose, rhetoric, structure, and social context. So to categorize text into specific genre, we can examine the with examine the social communicative purpose, rhetorica, structure, and social context. For example, application the letters application belong to the application letters genre because it aims to persuade the employer and follow the distinctive structures. So this classification can help us better understand to see how a text to see how the text can achieve the specific social purpose. So that's the assigning text into the genre categories. Next is networks or chains of genres. Genre does not stand alone, but is often interconnected with the networks or chains of genres. Next is written and spoken genre. Genre can appear both with the written and spoken forms. Written forms usual more structural, formal, and planned, while the spoken forms it's more spontaneous, interactive, and flexible. So the difference between the written and spoken is written more structural, but the spoken is more interactive and flexible. So next is the discourse structures genre. I think each genre has a distinct of structures, discourse, or rhetorica stages designed to achieve the communicative communicative purpose. For example, a narrative text typically typically narrative or consists of the orientation, complication, resolution, and coda, while the argumentative text consists of the thesis statement, supporting argument, and conclusion. So with the structures, we can easily to analyze, interpret, and construct the text align with with the align with the align with the align with the social context. So that's my understanding about this topic. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.